My name's Toby and I'm with Ridgid. We're going to talk about the drum machines today. We offer a full line of drum machines from light commercial to more heavy duty machines. And we're going to start down here with our light commercial occasional use machines. The K400 here that we're looking at is an induction style motor on these units. It is belt driven, as you can see the belt on the side of it. It will run 3/8 and a 1/2 inch cable up to 100 foot. Very small compact package on this K400 light use machine. Then you step up here to the little bit larger machine. This is the 750. Again, it is an induction style motor with a belt. You can run 5/8 or 3/4 cable out of this. You see this particular unit here has a auto feed on it. Both of these units you can get auto feed or without auto feed. Drum capacity on this is a 100-foot cable. Then we're going to get over here into more of our professional machines. These machines, they are direct drive units over here. And so the motors are actually a whole lot smaller than what you've got over here on these light commercial. You can run 1/2 inch or 3/8 cable in it. If you notice, all of our heavy duty machines down here at the bottom, they have the inner drum, and the inner drum will help prevent cable flip. These are also direct drive units. One nice thing about the K3800 is you can separate the drum with the carriage that it rides in. That's where the majority of the weight is on a drum machine, is the cable actually inside the drum. But that is the K3800. This is the K6200. Obviously, we're getting a little bit bigger. This is 5/8 cable only, up to 200 feet. And this is a direct drive unit. All of our heavy duty machines have the inner drum. This particular unit is set up with an auto feed on the unit. You can get all these machines either with an auto feed or without an auto feed. Again, plastic drum on this machine. This has got a very narrow footprint on this machine, so you don't have any issue getting it indoors, doorways, getting it up and down stairs. It also has a stair stepper here on the back with a wheel, but a very, very compact 5/8 drum machine. Okay, here's the largest drum machine that we manufacture. This is the K7500. This will do 5/8 or 3/4 cable on it. Again, in our heavy duty drum machine line here that we're talking about, it has the inner drum just like the smaller machines did. It also has the optional auto feed. This particular bigger unit, this K7500, has the feeding tube here. The feeding tube is a ball bearing feeding tube, so you don't have to worry about getting the cable bound up. It helps with the feeding of the cable out of the drum. Again, this is the biggest unit that we manufacture. It's got a kickstand on it right here to where you can lock it out so you don't have to worry about the machine moving back. Again, it will gear down whenever you encounter a blockage to help push your way through the blockage. And this has a stair stepper on the back of the unit as well to help you get it loaded up in a truck to help get it up and down stairs.